TasPorts is proud to support Burnie Lifesaving Club, Tasmania's oldest surf club, as it helps keep North West Coast beaches safe and supports the local community.
I'm Shane Askey, I'm the president of the Burnie Lifesaving Club. Burnie is the oldest surf club in Tasmania. We've got about 400 members here at the moment. We sit right down on the beach at the end of the main street in Burnie, and we look after the waters around Burnie for the community. TasPorts gave us the funding. We went with an IRB motor, so a Tohatsu motor. This year round we did a all-female development clinic, which was run by Harriet who's a Hall of Famer lifesaver. Yeah, and it was just a fantastic event to be able to get Harriet down here and deliver that, empower our girls to go on to be bigger and do bigger and better things, with their lives, whether it's in surf club or outside of surf club.
So the KaMana Community Program is run by Harriet Brown and Lizzie Wellborn. They run different workshops on body confidence and minutes to recycle, all tailored towards young girls in sport. There was a lot on body confidence and just how to accept your body and not always be trying to change it. And we all idolise these girls and everything and see them on the TVs, and then to have them actually talk to us in just a small setting is so inspiring.
We just can't thank TasPorts enough for their support and ongoing support and supporting surf lifesaving in the Burnie Surf Club.
With help from TasPorts, Burnie Lifesaving Club is making beaches safer and giving young people more opportunities.